Alright guys, so today I'm doing a review of this so delicious dairy-free lemon swirl. I got this at the grocery store. It's on sale. It says it's a mousse. I've never had this before, but it's dairy-free. Wanted to try it out and do a quick video for you guys to review the taste. As you can see, non-dairy. And here is the nutrient panel. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. It does have 7 grams of sugar, so which is a lot less than the usual type of dairy-free ice cream, which is actually kind of neat. And if you look at the ingredients, they use a base of filtered water, tapioca, organic cane, and lemon juice. So basically it's tapioca. Alright, let's open this up. This is kind of neat. I've never tried this. Oh, check that out. It's very airy. There you go. Okay, so it's definitely like a mousse, but it tastes like a meringue, basically. It tastes like a lemon meringue, but just the meringue part. And it's soft, and it actually isn't bad, but it's not ice cream. So it is a mousse, but if you're looking for something more dense, this is not it. But it is very airy, and it does have a nice lemon flavor. Just like I said, it's the meringue part of the lemon, the pies and stuff like that. Alright guys, definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.